evening, dear students. How are you? Are you fine?
Good evening.
Okay? Nice, nice. Okay, so let's start our class. So today's topic is watching scientific films. We will learn today how to watch scientific films. The next slide. Today, so today's topic is connected with the following learning outcomes. Understand scientific concept, gain a deeper understanding of scientific context and phenomena presented in the film. Critical thinking, develop critical thinking skills by analyzing and evaluating the accuracy and relevance of the scientific information presented in the film. Communication, improve your ability to articulate and discuss scientific ideas and findings with peers. Visualization, enhance your ability to visualize complex scientific processes and concepts. So we need to focus also on vocabulary. You will hear the following words in the film. For example, DNA, double nexus, nucleotide, base pair, genome, chromosome, gene, replication, transcription, translation, mutation, protein synthesis, genetic code. Could you repeat, please? Could you repeat, please? Nagima, could you repeat?
Yes. DNA, double
Mhm.
helix,
Yes.
nucleotide, base pair, genome, chromosome.
Enough, Nagima. Jansaya. Gen. How do you read this word?
Yes. Gen, replication,
Gene.
replication, transcription,
Yes.
translation. Yes, translation, mutation,
yeah.
protein synthesis, genetic code.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, thank you. So let's continue with watching these films. So now let's continue watching this film. Do you see? Do you
Yes.
see the screen? Do you see the screen? Okay.
Teacher,
Yes, thank you so much.
the video is not visible.
Okay, let's continue. Let's continue with the discussion. With the discussion. So you have watched the film. You have watched the film. You have watched this film. So please answer to the following questions. What is DNA? What have you understood from this film? About DNA. Who wants to answer? Please. Who wants? Please. Who?
Me.
Yeah, please.
First question, what is DNA? DNA is a polymer composed of two polynucleotide chains that coil around each other to form a double helix. The polymer carries genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and the reproduction of all known organisms and many viruses. DNA and ribonucleic acid are nucleic acids, alongside proteins, lipids, and complex carbohydrates. Nucleic acids and are one of the four major types of macromolecules that are essential for all known forms of life.
Mulder, thank you so much. You just enlarged the definition of DNA. Okay, and how does it work? How does it work? Please. Who wants to answer? How does it work? How does it work?
Yeah.
Please.
DNA contains crucial information that is passed from generation to generation. DNA molecules in the cell nucleus are tightly wound together to form chromosomes, which help store important information in the form of genes. DNA works by copying itself into the single stranded molecule called RNA.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, what about the next? What is the genetic code and how does it relate to the information stored in DNA?
May I ask?
Yes, answer. Yes.
Genetic code, the sequence of nucleotides in DNA and the RNA that determines the amino acid sequence of proteins.
Yes, very nice. And the last question, what are genes and how do they determine an organism traits and characteristics? Who wants?
May
Please.
I answer?
Yeah.
Genes carry the information that determines
Mm-hmm.
your traits,
Mm-hmm.
which are features or characteristics
Mm-hmm.
that
Mm-hmm. Could you
are
regulate your voice? Could you regulate your voice?
passed onto you or inherit thousand
Mm-hmm.
to 35,000 genes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Thank you. And what you see, just I ask you only 5 questions, but maybe I just missed something. Could you remind me what I haven't just focused, not focused? For example, give your examples. Mhm. What I didn't mention, what I didn't mention in the film. What? Central dogma. Yeah? Central dogma. What is it? What is central dogma? What is central dogma? Aidana,
May
what is central? Yeah. Please. Gulsara?
I,
Mhm.
the explanation of the DNA.
Mhm.
May I?
Yes, please. Mhm. Who wants? Gulsara?
Yes.
Mhm.
Questions. What is
Yes,
central dogma?
what is central dogma? It was
The
mentioned
May
about
I?
central dogma.
uh-huh. The explanation of DNA conversion into RNA and finally RNA into proteins is called central dogma.
The
Yes,
explanation of
yes.
DNA conversion into RNA and finally
Who wants to summarize? Who wants to summarize? Jansaya? Nagima? Mhm. Jansaya? Nagima?
Yes.
Could you summarize? Could you summarize what you have watched? What have you learned from that film?
May I answer?
Yes, please.
DNA contains hereditary information that is passed on to you from your parents. If you and your father have the same color of eyes or your hair are as silky as your mother, it is because of DNA that you inherited from your parents.
Inherited, yes, inherited.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Do you understand what have
Teacher,
you do? Yes, what have you do after watching
No.
the film? So when you watch the film, we do need what? To learn new words, new vocabulary, yes, to memorize and use them in your summary. So please, reflection,
may,
reflection of the lesson. Have you any questions?
may I?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Add some information, DNA facts.
Please.
DNA is found in every living organism, including bacteria, plants, animals, and humans. The structure of DNA testing is similar in all organisms with only minor variations. DNA
Variations. Mm-hmm.
variation.
Mm-hmm.
DNA modification is a process by which chemical changes are made to the DNA sequence. This
Mm-hmm.
process plays a vital role in gene expressions and is the basis of epigenetics, a field of study that explores how environmental factors can affect gene expression.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. Very nice, Jansaya. Thank you for your additional materials. It's also important to know. Yes. Yes, thank you for your facts. Okay, and the last one, reflection. So, green, not problems, all is clear. So, uh, was it just difficult for you to understand this film? Was it difficult? Was it difficult to
Green, not
understand?
problems, always clear.
Oh, very nice. Yes. What about yellow? So you have chosen green, yeah? Green,
Yes,
no problems. Yes. What about yellow? I have some little problems.
No problems.
Yeah, little problems, of course, of course. And red, I don't understand the task. I
Is
need
help.
one's help. hmm
Yes.
Do you? hmm So, have you? Any of you just red?
we haven't.
No.
Haven't. Okay. Thank you
Mhm.
so much. Was it interesting for you? Do you like to watch such films?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, of course. We will
we know more
continue
about.
such activity. Yes, it's so helpful. Yes, it's so useful. Yes, because you
Yes.
memorize new words. Yes, you may speak about, you may discuss, you may ask. You see, it's so effective. Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy the evening. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye
Goodbye,
bye.
teacher.
Bye bye.